Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn Algebraic Expression chapter 12. This is an introduction video for this chapter for class 7. First, constant. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called constant. Okay, see, have it in mind. Constant means all the numbers. It may be the whole numbers, it may be the point numbers, for example 2.4, it may be the root numbers, whatever, it may be the fraction. All the numbers, basically all the numbers are constants. That's all. Simply just have it in mind. Numbers are constant. A symbol having a fixed numerical value. That means it won't change. 3 by 4 means it's 3 by 4. 1 means 1. 3 means 3. So this is called constant. Next, variable. Next, variable. A symbol which takes on various numerical values. Example, x, y, z and so on are variables which can take different values such as 1, 2, 3, etc. See here, for example, if it is x plus 3. If you give 1 for this x, what will come? If you give, suppose x equal to 1 and gives us, if you put 1 here, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Suppose x equal to 4, you are giving in the place of x 4. So 4 plus 3 gives us 7. So it will go like that. A symbol which takes on various numerical values is called variable. It varies depending upon the inputs. So that's why it is called as variable. Constant means fixed numerical value. Variable means various numerical value. That is the difference. Just have it in mind. Next, algebraic expression. A combination of constants and variables connected by some or all of the four fundamental operations: plus, minus, multiplication symbol, division symbol. That's all. It's very easy actually. See, combination of constants and variables. That's all. See here. See the example. 3x square minus 5x plus 7. 3 is the constant. X square is the variable. Minus, we are using the symbol. 5 into x plus 7. See, this is purely constant, right? This is the constant. This is the variable. So, combination of constants and variables connected by the symbol plus or minus. Also, see here, 3 into x square. So, multiplication symbol also used here. Minus 5 into x plus 7. So, we can use any of the symbol. Even we can give things like that. 4x square minus 3x plus 8 by 9. Here we are using division also. Here in between multiplication, division also. So some or all of the four fundamental operations involved. Okay. So simply have it in mind. Algebraic expression means you are just combining the constant, that is numbers, and the variables, that is alphabets, with the symbols, like with the operators plus minus into division symbol. That's all. It's very easy. This term, what are terms? A number of parts in the algebraic expression separated by the sign plus or minus. That's all. See, we have used the same algebraic expression what we have seen last year. 3x square minus 5x plus 7. See, minus and plus. That means each of these constant and variables are separated by the symbol plus or minus. So each of these things are called as terms. See, this is the first term and this minus 5x is the second term, 7 is the third term. This expression has 3 terms. Okay, it must be separated by plus or minus. See, we can do our terms like this. For example, 5x square minus 8x minus 4. See here, in this expression, it is separated by only using negative symbol, negative operator. You can do like this also. For example, 4x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 4. See here. This is first term separated by plus. This is the second term separated by minus, and this is the third term separated by plus again. This is the final term, fourth term. So this way we can do our terms like that. First term, second term, third term. The three terms are, what are the three terms here? 3x square is the first term, minus 5x is the second term, 7 is the third term. That's all. Now, algebraic expression, term-wise classification. How to classify it term-wise? Only one term. If an algebraic expression has only one term, it is called a monomial. If it has two terms, it is called binomials. If it has three terms, it is called trinomials. One or more terms means polynomial. Basically, all of this are called as polynomial. It is come under polynomials only. So, simply, only one term means monomial. Example, see the examples here. 3x, see there is no term, only one term. 3x, 4x square minus 5xyz, 8, etc. Even constant is also a monomial. It is also a polynomial. So all these single expressions are called monomial. Only one term. 3x is a one term. See here. 8x square. It is a single term. No plus, no minus. It is not separated from any other term. It is a single term. So if you are saying any single term means it is called a monomial. Binomial means two terms. 4 minus 3x, 5x square plus 1. See, this is one term and this is another term. 5x square separated by plus symbol. So, two terms binomial. Here 7x plus 3y. Here also two terms. 7x is a one term and 3y is the another term. It is separated by plus symbol. So, this is binomial. Next, three terms. If an expression has three terms, it is called as trinomials. See here. First term is 3x square. Second term is minus 5x. Third term is 7. Here 7x cube is the first term. X square is the second term. Minus 5x is the third term. Here also x is the first term, 2y is the second term, minus z is the third term. See, if a term comes with a negative, you just always tell it with the symbol, negative symbol. No need to tell the term with the positive sign as positive, plus 2y plus x. No need to tell like that. If it has negative symbol, you just tell the third term is minus z. So this is trinomials. One or more terms are called polynomials. Example, all the algebraic expression are polynomial. This is the special case. Please have it in mind. Polynomial means these are all called polynomials. Factors. When two or more numbers, constant and variables are multiplied, then each one of them and their product is called a factor of the product. See, it is an algebraic expression. Minus AB plus 2B square minus 3A square. See, for example, 6. 6 is the number, right? We can 2 into 3 gives us 6. We can write 6 like this. 2 into 3. So, 2 is the one factor and 3 is the another factor for 6. Like this. Minus AB plus 2B square minus 3A square is an algebraic expression. Now, what are the terms are here? This is the first term, right? Minus AB is the first term and 2B square is the second term. See, terms means it is separated by the operators plus or minus. Now, these are all terms, right? What are the factors are there? Just to split this, minus 1. Minus AB means minus 1 into A into B. These are all factors. That means, for example, how to split 10? You can split into 5 into 2, right? You can split this 10 into 5 into 2. So, you are splitting here. You can split this 2B square as 2 into B into B. If you combine all these things, if you take product, 2 into B gives us 2B square. So now minus 3A square minus 1, 3 and A and another A. So if you combine, if you multiply all these things will give you minus 3A square only. So these are all factors. So this is an expression, algebraic expression. From this expression, you can make terms by splitting it from the operators plus or minus. Okay. From this, we can take factors. How to take factors? Each term can be split into numbers and variables with these symbols. Next, factors. Just for an example, we have taken 4a. 4 is a factor, right? Constant factor. This 4 is constant factor. And this a is called as variable factor. So 4 is a number. It's a constant. It has fixed value. 4 means 4 only. So it is a constant factor. It can also be told as numerical factor. Also, this a is a variable factor. So it can vary. If you give any number, any input to this number, this variable a, it will change. For example, in the place of a, if you give 2, 4 into 2 gives you 8. So similarly, any number you can give for this a. So it is a variable factor, or it is also called as literal factor. Next, coefficient. In a product of numbers and variables, any of the factors is called the coefficient of the product of other factors. Okay. So now, example 3xy. So 3xy means what are the factors it have? 3 is one factor, x is another factor, and y is another factor for this 3xy. Now, the coefficient of 3 is another remaining two factors. That's all. The coefficient of 3 is xy. The coefficient of x is another 3 factors, 3 and y, 3y. The coefficient of y is the remaining other factors, 3 and x. That's all, 3x. The coefficient of 3 is the remaining things attached to 3. That's all. xy. It came right for this. The coefficient of x is, what are the remaining? 3y is the coefficient. The coefficient of y is the remaining thing. 3x is the coefficient. That's all. It's a very important note. An expression is not a polynomial if there is a variable in the denominator. That is, degree of the variable must be a positive whole number. See here, 5, 3y square plus 2y is not a polynomial. How you will give this? 5 by 3, y power minus 2 plus 2y. It is not a polynomial. If you see negative power or in the denominator, if you see any variable, then it is not a polynomial. Okay. This is very important thing. Degree of the variable must be a positive whole number always. Also, it must be a whole number from 0 to infinity. Okay. For example, 4x square plus 2x power 1 by 2. It is also not a polynomial. See. It is not a whole number. 1 by 2 is a fraction. So, degree must be a positive whole number. Degree of the variable must be a positive whole number. Constant term. A term of the expression having no variable or literal factor. It is an expression. 3x square minus 5x plus 3 by 4. Here the constant term is 3 by 4. See, this is the only term which has no variable. Variable means x, any alphabetical things, x, y, z, like that. So, first term attached with x square, second term attached with x. But see the third term, there is no variable. It is purely a number. It is purely a number. So, this is called a constant term. Next, like terms. What are like terms? Terms having same variable or literal factors irrespective of their numerical coefficient. So, no need to see the numerical things. Numerical means numbers. Example, in the expression 3x square y minus 5xy square plus 8yx square. So, no need to see the numbers. Just to concentrate in the variable and the powers. See the thing. X square y, here x y square, here y x square. Which are like terms? X square y, here also x square y. But see here it is x y square. So it is not like. These two are like terms. So the like terms are 3x square y and 8y x square. 8y square can be written as 8x square y, right? So it must have the same variable factors. That's all. Unlike terms, terms having different variable factors or different degree of the variable factors. degree also. Example, 3x square y minus 5xy plus 7x square y square. Leave the numbers, just see the variables alone. First term has x square y, second term has xy, third term has x square y square. See, first term variable, second term variable, third term variable. Is there any connection between these variables? These are all different, okay? X square y, xy, x square y square. So each term is unlike term. Degree of a polynomial. The term with the highest power in the polynomial. See, this is a polynomial. Which term has the highest power here? First term has the highest power. Power means degree. Just see the degree. It has x cube. This is x square x and no degree here. No variable. It is a constant term. So, x cube, this 3, the degree is 3 here. Highest power in a polynomial. Highest degree in a polynomial. This is the term with the highest power. The power here is 3. So, the degree is 3 here. Next, when variables with powers are multiplied, the powers are added to decide the degree of the term. See, if it is combined, if the variables are combined like this, okay, x cube plus x square y minus 3x cube y square plus 4. If you are asked to give the highest power in all the 4 terms, just to look into the terms. So, we need to add the powers. Here x cube, only one variable is there, it is 3. Now here x square y. So 2, here the power of y is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here x cube y square, 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 gives us 5. So here no variables, so leave it. So this gives us 5. Here 3. Here 2 plus 1 is again 3. Here 3 plus 2 gives you 5. So the highest power in all the 4 terms is given by the term minus 3x cube y square in this polynomial, right? So power of x is 3 plus power of y is 2. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial, this thing is 5. Just addition, that's all. Next, addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Like terms of an algebraic expression can be added or subtracted. If two algebraic expression has like terms, it can be added or subtracted. Unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted to get a new term. While subtracting, we add the additive inverse of the subtraction. How to add these two expressions? See, this is one algebraic expression and this is another algebraic expression. What you need to do is, you just look for the like terms. What are the like terms here? 3x square and 5x square. That means both have the same degree, right? Just look for the terms which has the same variable with the same power. See, these two are like terms. So just add it. So this gives us 5 plus 3 is 8x square. Next, look for the another like term. 2x, 4x. Like, see the thing. X here, here also x. So these two are like terms. So just add it. 2x plus 4x is 6x. And see the constant. 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 gives us 4. That's all. This is the way to add our algebraic expression for the like terms. This type of, see, if you are having this type of algebraic expression means you are going to add, right? Is there any like terms? No like terms, right? So what you need to do is just write 2x square plus 3x plus 5 plus 1 is 6. That's all. So here you can't add 2x square and 3x. No like terms. Just write the terms and give the addition symbol. That's all. Unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. See, while subtracting, we add the additive inverse of the subtraction. How to do this? See here. Just write the first polynomial expression. Okay. Next, write the second expression also. here like this. Okay, 4x minus 2. Now what we are going to do is we add the additive inverse. So minus symbol is there. So what we are going to do is just change the symbol of the second polynomial alone. Instead of this negative, just change it into plus. So plus 2, it becomes plus 2. Instead of this positive 4x, just change it into negative 4x. Now instead of this 2x square, change it into, this is positive only, right? Minus 2x square. Now just add these two. 5 plus 2, minus 5 plus 2 gives us minus 3. Minus 3x minus 4x gives us minus 7x. 4x square minus 2x square gives us 2x square. So this is the answer after subtraction. That's all. We will see all the exercise problems in our next video. Thank you.